Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Just a Gamer. Today we're going to be spinning a reel, seeing what I am and what type of creature I am, what powers I got and how many, and what weapon I got and what enchantments do I got on it. And if you guys want me to do a reel for you, just comment down below. Comment down below when you want me to do it and what dimension you want to be in. Just let me know. So let's get started. If you're wondering, I customly made this. And I'm an angel. I am an angel, great. Do I got powers? Let's see. Yes or no? I'm really hoping you say yes. Yes! I got a superpower. Let's see how many superpowers I got. Let's hope it's a lot. And we got 4. Great. Let's see what the 4 superpowers are. First one is I can slow down time. Great. Next, we've got 3 more to go. This is really bad. Unnatural good luck. I got amazing good luck. Why did I say that's bad? Got 2 more left. Yes, I can climb walls. And last superpower is... drum roll, please. And I got super suit. Yay! Let's check my strength. Let's go. We're so great. We're so super strong. Let's check our speed. I'm so fast it's barely unreadable, which meaning no one can tell what it is. Let's get moving. And finally, let's check my durability. Which, if you don't know, durability is how long you can last. As you guys can see, it's demon level, which is great. Do I got any weapons? Ooh. I don't really need weapons, so I'm good with any answer. And no. I can just use my fist. Let's see what universe we are in. We've got Demon Slayer, Chainsaw Man, Marvel, and DC. I'm really hoping I get Chainsaw Man. It's my favorite anime so far. Those guys also comment down below your favorite anime. Let's get into this. Yes! I got my favorite anime. Let's move on. And let's see what's happened. This is the last thing, because afterwards I'm just going to record myself saying what I do. And I get a contract from a devil, which if you didn't know, a contract from a devil in this game, in this anime, is basically what happens is, if you find a devil that's not wanting to kill you but giving you a contract, it will allow you to get basically powers from them, but you got to give them something in return. And I get to choose what demon I get it from, which I want it from the Chainsaw Demon. Which, if you don't know, is also the main demon, that the first demon you see that gives the main character his abilities. Okay guys, so finally we're up to saying what happens in it and what I do. But I get to say that And right now we're on my gaming folder, as you see, so you can't see anything of mine. So what happens is what I want to do is meet the Chainsaw Demon, sign his contract, get his capabilities and that, but still being part human. And I will kill other demons. So I'm basically a part demon, part angel, kind of demon. Angel. And so afterwards that, I get to meet the Chainsaw, the main character, Chainsaw Man, which, if you didn't know, he's the main character. He also meets the Chainsaw Demon, but the Chainsaw Demon becomes his friend. So much so that the Chainsaw Demon ended up giving his life and that to him, but also giving him a contract saying he gets his powers and that, but in return he has to let him see his dreams. So that's me, and I sort of like that idea, which I've done the same thing with that demon. And so after that, me and him become best buds. We go around. We ended up becoming demons, slayers, as demons, and we eventually get to meet the gun demon, the main demon we want to kill. Anyway, guys, hope you all enjoyed. See you all next time. Peace.